Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder QR code. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder QR code, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will enter to the window of Tinder app. Then here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi. If it's not working with you, you can go to your Play Store. You'll search about Tinder, you'll find here uninstall. Then you can wait a moment and you can install again your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.